Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Niranjana with you. Let's start with the headlines. Third grader recognized by the India Book of Records for solving 30 Rubik's Cubes under 14 minutes. 7-year-old Nagpur twins enter Asia Book of Records in avian style. Harshada Sharad Garud wins India's first ever gold medal in Junior Weightlifting World Championships, and India bagged 2 more medals at Junior World Weightlifting Championships. India enters Guinness Book of World Records for waving over 78,000 national flags simultaneously. With energetic minds and racing spirits, Karuna gears for a new academic session. Bhargav Sriram Raju of Class 3 from Orchids International School of Panathur branch, recognized by the India Book of Records for solving 30 Rubik's Cubes in just 13 minutes and 51 seconds. The India Book of Records recognized him on last month. He will also be featured in the 2023 edition of India Book of Records. The 7-year-old twin brothers from Nagpur, Ane and Abir Ramakrishnan, created the India and Asia record by identifying 248 different species of birds in just 4 minutes of time. They not only identified the maximum number of bird species at the record time, but also created a record as they are the youngest twins. Studying in grade 2, Center Point School. Their names were registered in the Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records. The award includes a medal, a certificate and a record book. Weightlifter Harshada Sharad Garud created history on Monday by becoming the first ever Indian to win a gold medal in Junior World Weightlifting Championship in Greece. Competing in the women's 45 kg category, the 16-year-old lifted a total of 153 kg to win the title in the field of 8 competitors on the opening day of the competition. Just a day after Harshada Garud made history at the Junior World Weightlifting Championships, 2 more medals have been added to the overall Indian tally. Gyaneshwari Yadav and V. Ritika won silver and bronze in the women's 49 kg category. India created history and marked its name in the Guinness Book of World Records by waving the maximum number of national flags simultaneously on April 23. Union Home Minister Amit Shah was present during the historical event. On April 23, India entered Guinness Book of World Records by waving 70,220 flags simultaneously at Veer Kunwar Singh Vijayotsav program at Bhojpur, Bihar. The attempt was witnessed by agents of Guinness Book of World Records, and attendees were asked to wear bands for their physical identification. Last but not the least, we are pleased and proud to share highlights of Pratibha Hindi Scholarship Exam conducted by Deshiya Hindi Academy. R. Gargi Valchak Navi of Grade 2 and Aditi Subin Anand of Grade 4 secured first and second rank respectively. We extend our heartiest congratulations to the rank holders. When the normal way stopped, we found a way from the unusual. When the classroom learning stopped, we worked ahead through digital learning, and now it's time to gather ourselves from the comfortable days of relaxing. It's time for us to start a new phase of our school life, availing best of our education through the online platforms. Now it's time to keep the track with the best way of learning. As the clutches of the pandemic eases out, let's get ready to re-enter into the world of excitement and fun. School bells are ringing loud and clear. Vacation's over. School is here. So let's count the days in our hands and groove ourselves to a new academic session 2020-23. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Niranjana signing off. Thank you.